about the stanzas on each. What is a stanza? It's how the poem's organized. It's the group of lines. Okay? So if I look at this one, how many stanzas I have, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 stanzas, don't I? Just checking to see if there's a way that I can I think I can do it this way and go back. So use the pointer so I can look. This is a stanza, right? There's 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we would say that I would have 5 stanzas. How many lines in each stanza? Well, we know a line is like this. So within each stanza, it is 4 lines. And what is the rhyming pattern? So if we look at face and place, sorry, boys and girls, face and place, those both rhyme. So we start face with the letter A, and place is the same A. Not switches to a B, and you might dislike your nose a lot is also goes with not, so those would be B. So this would be like A, B, B rhyme scheme. Okay, I'm not so worried if you know the rhyme scheme. I just thought I'd show you. So if you see here, it's doing the same thing. The first 2 are rhyming words, nose, toes, treat, feet. So it's A, B, B. Dread, head, despair, hair. Again, the first 2 ends of the lines rhyme, and it continues throughout that. So stanzas are the groups. Lines are what's on each one. So now if I look back at meter, the number of syllables in a line. So it's like the meter is kind of like how it sounds when you're reading it. Okay, how many syllables are in the line? Those have to match, not just the words. The rhythm is kind of the sound that it makes while you're talking. You naturally are going to say some words louder and more accented. A rhyme are the words which you know what a rhyme is, which we just talked about the pattern. So let's look at the next poem that we have. So which form of poetry would this poem be? Okay, if I can stop one heart from breaking. If I can stop one heart from breaking, I shall not live in vain. If I can ease one life the aching, or cool one pain, or help one fainting robin unto his nest again, I shall not live in vain. And vain means only for yourself. When you are vain, you're all selfish. Okay, so if we look at this one, okay, are we thinking that it's humorous by what it's talking about helping people? Boom, probably not, right? Okay, so we want to get rid of the ones we know it's not. Is it having a story with like a character and going through a problem? It's not. As you'll find out, the narrative poems are actually a lot longer. Free verse is there's no set line length, right? So there's not like it's not broken up into the different parts. There's no set rhythm, no rhyming pattern. Was there rhyming words? If I look here, we've got breaking and aching, right? Vain, pain. So we do have rhyming. So because it does rhyme, it is a lyrical poem. It's kind of one of those poems that any song lyrics that you would print off, that would be lyrical. So if you just searched up and Googled song lyrics for your favorite song, that is actually a poem. The lyrics are a poem. Lyrics are the words in a song. So anything that's kind of like a song would be considered a lyrical poem. Okay, so we said that it's lyrical. What's unique about